This week's booklet is called Watch the Birch Tree, and we will be focusing on the ch versus the sh sounds. The spellings for the ch sound can be TCH or just CH, and the spelling for the sh sound is SH. Here are the sound spelling cards for the two different sounds, ch and sh. There's a piece of cheese on the ch card and a shell on the sh card. CH makes the ch sound, as in chips, a bag of chips. A vowel plus TCH makes the ch sound, as in watch, watch. The sh sound is spelled SH. So here is a picture of two ships, not chips, ships, two ships. So on each page, I highlighted the ch sound in yellow, and I underlined the sh sound in red. So here's the first page of the story. In Beth's driveway, a bunch of kids rushed here and there. They were about to put on a play. Rich looked at the kids. He often wished that he could act in a play. Then Rich went up to Beth. "May I be in the play?" asked Rich. "We have no acting parts left," Beth said, "but you may pitch in and help with that cardboard tree. We must move it to the stage." Just then, Beth's dog, America, pushed over the tree. "The birch tree is crushed," yelled Beth. "The paint spilled on it too." "Wait a second, I have an idea," said Rich. "We need some white cloth." "I'll get an old white sheet," said Beth's dad. While Beth's dad fetched a sheet, Rich ran to Beth's yard. He saw two branches on the grass by a birch tree. He picked up both branches. Beth's dad smoothed the sheet. He cut holes in it. Beth smiled at Rich. "This is such a good plan. Now we have a part for you in the play," she said. Rich stood still on the stage. He stretched his arms as wide as the world. He clutched the branches. Rich the Birch Tree was such a big hit. Here is a list of 12 words from this story. You may know some of them, and others may be new. Number 1, watch. Number 2, driveway. Number 3, bunch. Number 4, rush. Number 5, pitch in. Number 6, cardboard. Number 7, stage. Number 8, crush. Number 9, sheet. Number 10, branch. Number 11, smooth. Number 12, clutched. Now for extra practice, you should read the story again, please. What you can do is turn off the sound and the beginning will start over again in just a moment. And this time, you try reading the story on your own. Ready, set, go.